how to turn on disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Facebook Messenger application and make sure that you are signed in. Now, go ahead and navigate to the conversation where you want to enable disappearing messages and tap on it. Now, tap on their profile icon on top of your screen, and now under the Privacy and Support tab, you will see the option for disappearing messages. Tap on it and then select the 24 hours option you see there, and with this, messages will disappear after 24 hours of texting them. So, this was about how you can enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.